Morning, people. Give me 2 seconds. Do apologize. I was supposed to do that before the stream started, but we're late. Anyway, morning. We're going to jump in. Obviously, we got 3 minutes between market open, London open. We'll talk about some of the trades, the setups that we have potentially, and we'll go over that naughty USDCHF trade that I ended the stream yesterday because, to be honest, even I thought I was going to get stopped out on that one. So we'll see you in a sec. Boom, we haven't shared our screen. There you go. Okay, so the market's about to open. I'll quickly go through where I'm thinking we're gonna go today and what I'm looking at. And then we'll talk about some of the trades that happened yesterday, so on and so forth. Okay. So gold. First of all, if we have a look at the daily, we had a 50% retracement yesterday of that daily candle. 50% retracement. Now we found support. We're on the 50% retracement of that candle right now. So I'm looking for longs really on gold to come up to this 33.98 level. I don't know how that's going to facilitate. I don't know if at the moment we're sitting at quite interesting levels. We're at a 50 of this move. I don't know how it's going to plan out, but I'm going to look for any types of patterns that are going to help me get into this long trade. So the Monday high is the Monday's been taken out, to be fair. Let's have a look at Monday low. Monday's low is still down here. I don't think we're going to get there this week, but we will see what happens. We just pushed up, made a high, came back down into the 50% of this level, and now we're looking for continuation pattern, in my opinion. That's what I'm looking for. Market's open up very, very, very soon. The next euro dollar, I think euro dollar is going to push up. The trade yesterday that we pulled because of news, look, that was a really nice trade. We didn't take that one. We took USDCHF. I do think that the euro is going to come up and do something like that. If we can see this consolidation and a retracement on that EMA, we're going to take that trade. And hopefully then we will then take that high and so on and so forth. Yesterday's low is already taken out, so the daily low has been taken out. We're just looking for now a daily continuation higher. If we have a look on higher time frames, we are still pushing up, still bullish. We're doing this kind of ladder type of stairway type of price action up to the high here. If we can break this high, then we're facilitating and completing a break retest continuation trade on the weekly. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on euro. I think we're going to get it very, very, very soon. I think we're going to get the trade. We'll just have to wait and see. Maybe nicer trade if we go onto the 15-minute. Let's see where that is. The 15-minute could be a nice trade as well. So something like break, retest, double bottom, continuation into this level, take out all of these highs here. That also would be a nice trade that I'd be looking to take. Those are the two trades. I'm going to put something like that. That's what I'd be looking for. Okay. Now, pound, not really interested in it, in all honesty. USD yen, all of USD pairs really yesterday, except for USD CAD. USD CAD was pretty boring. USDCHF went on a monster move. Yesterday in the live trading room, our stops was actually quite a little bit close. It was like this. This was the trade. And yeah, that was the trade. And I think the take profit was a little bit lower, probably around about there. So we broke, we made this low. That was just a very, very weak low that got targeted. Orders were filled, and then it started pushing up. When the Dixie started pushing up as well, we came to the monthly open. It was a really, 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 really nice trade. A nice trade that I took on other accounts as well with higher risk. And it was a very, very, very good day. Just for perspective, it was a 7 grand trade. Oh, that was a really nice trade. And what else are we looking at? Not seeing too much. Maybe. So we've come into this area of demand. We could see a nice pop-up. Yeah. We could see a nice pop-up on EuroCAD. This could be a nice trade as well. We've had a break of a trend line. We've got all of these highs here that would be looking to get taken out. It's also a very nice trade. We can put that there. I'd prefer to take the USD trade, to be honest. But that is still quite nice. You can see the last reaction it had here as well. It was a really impulsive 15-minute move. Really, really fast. Market has just opened, so we're not seeing too much. We've got Canadian interest rate decision today. Not sure if we're just going to consolidate in a range. Probably stay out of that one, to be honest. Okay, British pounds, Swiss. Broken this EMA. Very impulsive candle. Let's have a look on the 4 hour. We've had a break of a trend line. This is a change in structure. We've come into resistance. These are all quite big things. All quite big things. Let's have a look if the Monday low is taken out. Yep, so Monday high was taken out yesterday, Monday low. Probably wouldn't. I'm not going to trade this, even though we're in quite a big area, just because we've had quite an impulse. And we're sitting at some support, and you could get trapped going short here, which this could be a really good short. The only problem is you've got this EMA and you've got quite a big impulse. Yeah, difficult one. It's interesting. I'm going to reevaluate that later. Okay, so we're pushing up now on the euro. Yeah, we're pushing up on the euro. That means gold, we're pushing up. Yeah, we're pushing up on gold. Could take this. I think it's better getting off on the retracement. If we can get in on the retracement, that would be fantastic. It is a really nice push. So that's it. We're not going to stay on too long. We're not going to stay on too long. Maybe actually USD. Let's have a look at the USD pairs. Maybe USDCHF. We can take. So it's lost its monthly open. I think we're going to come down to this area as well. Let's have a look at where the 50 is. Yeah. We can look for shorts on. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts on CHF Swiss. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts. So something like that. We can get a little bit of a retracement back into this area. Then I'll be happy to take those shorts. So those are what we're currently looking at. It's much nicer to take the euro trade, if I'm honest. But even if the euro trade doesn't hit, I think the CHF one will. And we will update tomorrow with how that is all going and what they all look like, and if we actually ended up taking any trades. So if we go on the 5 minute, yeah. Okie dokie, guys. Reason why we're keeping these shorts, because at the moment there's not really anybody in there. There's just literally me. So we're going to keep these shorts until we actually start the ball rolling, we get more people in, and then we're going to take them a little bit longer. But it's good just to keep mapping out the markets, showing potential trade setups, and just so there's a little bit of history here as well, so you can watch it back one day and be like, oh, you know, that's interesting stuff. So there you go, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.